Just finished install of the BMW Performance short shifter. Everybody wants to see this shot, so here you go. There's first gear, stock location. Maybe, I originally said in the first video, I thought it would be shorter, or I mean the same distance forward. It's not. It's towards the driver, just a hair more. And I also think it might be slightly to the right of where it was originally. So that's first. And then we give her a pull. That's second. That's third. That's fourth. That's fifth. And that's sixth. So that's a lot shorter. I mean, maybe it doesn't seem that short, but it's shorter than it was by far. I mean, it just looks better from center. It just looks like it's supposed to be there. But it's definitely, for whatever reason, I think it's kicked that way a little bit. Again, not a huge difference. From third to fourth is the biggest difference in my opinion. And then obviously from fifth to sixth, which is never really not going to be a big deal. But before, this knob would have been way down here. I mean, when I have my armrest down, I would rest and it would almost be where my palm is, and you can see now it's up here. So that's a pretty good difference, because literally I used to put my hand right about like that and it would be in my palm, and now it's right here and my palm is quite a bit to the right, so it moved it over and back. And from the driver's seat, I actually really like it. It feels good sitting fully up. So can't screech fourth gear in this thing. So one last time: first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear, reverso. So reverse actually kind of looks like old first gear. I would say old first was probably over there, now it's over here. So, at any rate, really like it. From a height perspective, I thought it was the same. It might be, looking at it, it might be half an inch. I mean, we're talking minuscule amounts, right? We're talking teeny tiny amounts. So from that perspective, don't expect, if you buy this BMW short shift kit, don't expect a huge difference up and down, because it's not at all really. Again, my part numbers, just for those who care to know: 251175, that's a 28881. 251175 That's the part number from BMW. That's for the 2004 ZHP 330 6-speed. So this would work with any Getrag 6 speeds, not the M car. The shift kit will not fit for the M3. It's a different shifter. I'm here to tell you there's a lot of misinformation on the web. This is the shift lever that looks like an S. It's crooked at the bottom, as per my other videos, that works with 03 to 06 E46s with the 6-speed manual transmission, non-M. It's not the 535 diesel, the 535D. That's not the shifter, okay? It's not. It's a different part number. It's specifically made for this. There's a lot of quote-unquote BMW performance shift kits. This is the one for the ZHP and the 6 speeds, not just the ZHP. Any 6-speed Getrag unit that BMW produced, I'm not sure if I don't think they produced a ZF in 6-speed for the non-M cars. So that's it. So enjoy and have a wonderful evening.